This is gonna be the best summer ever.
We think it might be good if you could be around people who've been through what you've been through.
Oh, no fucking way. It's chemo camp.
Hey, any of you fuck with my daughter, okay? Cancer will be the least of your worries.
Campers, sup?
Ella.
Ivy.
You came to chemo camp to lose your virginity.
Yeah, but you're not my type, though.
No?
No, ooh, a bit.
Oh, what a shame.
196 kids have come through here, and CRF has made their lives better.
Well, I'm sorry, I'm not going to be 197th. Fuck this fucking camp and your stupid pedo wall. Twat. The people at school shaved their head for you. I wasn't that popular.
We've all been coming to CRF for years. We just keep coming back. It's got that effect.
I don't fit in here.
Have you tried?
Campers, are we ready?
What have you and cancer got in common?
I don't know.
No one wants you inside them. You seem different today.
Different.
Happier.
Yeah?
Yeah, maybe it's our influence.
Yeah, because you're all so fun.
This is the only place where people like us feel like us.
We're all part of this club that no one wants to be in.
And who knows what's going to happen?
This pain you're feeling, so unfair.
This is not about surviving. It is a shot at truly living.
Effie?
Tap out, you bitch!
No.
Do it! Tap out!
No.
This is gonna be the best summer ever.